What's up, everybody? It's Tim FX from Forex Made Easy, and in today's video we will be discussing the different types of trends and trend lines. At the end of the video, I will be giving you guys a guideline to help you properly use trend lines, and I will also be giving you guys information on quizzes, which is something that I'm going to be offering as an optional resource. If you guys want more information on that, be sure to watch until the end of the video. With that being said, let's jump right into it. In the Forex market, we have three types of trends. We have an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways trend, which we also like to call a ranging market. Now let's get more in depth. Let's start with an uptrend. During an uptrend, the overall direction of the market is upwards. This means that we are constantly making higher highs and higher lows. When the market is going in the upwards direction, as traders, we can say that the market is bullish. On the other hand, when the overall direction of the market is downwards, this means that we are making lower highs and lower lows. When the market does this, we as traders will say that the market is bearish. The third type of trend we have is a sideways trend. This is also called a ranging market. This means that price is bouncing between two major price levels, or support and resistance. We will learn more about support and resistance in the next video. Now that you guys understand the three types of trends, I'm going to show you guys some real examples over on a trading platform that I like to use called TradingView. TradingView is a great platform to use to analyze charts, and almost every trader uses it. I'll be using it very often in my videos, so I highly recommend that you guys head over to TradingView and set up an account to follow along. TradingView is also free to use. However, in order to use some of the features I will be using, you will need a premium account. But for now, a free account will do just fine. Alright, now that we've switched over to TradingView and our chart is pulled up, we can start analyzing trends. To make things easier, I found an area on the currency pair EU that shows all three trends. Over here to the left, where my cursor is currently being circled over, we can see that we have an uptrend. Right here, we have our first high or our first peak. And right here, we have our first low or our first trough. And right here, we have a higher high. Right here, we have a higher low. Right here, we have another higher high, another higher low. And right here we have another higher high and another higher low. And right here we can see that it doesn't create any more higher highs. This high is not higher than this high, and this low is not lower than this low. And now we are currently stuck in between two major price levels, the 1.22 level and the 1.25 level. So we are now in a ranging market, or we could also say that we're in a consolidation after a huge uptrend or a huge downtrend, because after a huge uptrend we'll go into consolidation, and after a huge downtrend we will oftentimes go into consolidation. And over here to the right, we're in a downtrend. We get a clear downtrend. So right here we have our first high, and right here we have our first low. Then right here we have a lower high. Right here we have a lower low. Then we have a lower low again, and then we have a lower high right here. So this right here, this whole section indicates a downtrend. Now that you guys fully understand the three different types of trends, I'm going to move on to trend lines. Trend lines are used to identify and confirm trends, but it can also be used to help you identify when a trend has been broken. So how do you draw a trend line? For an uptrend, you want to connect all of your lows or all of your major troughs. And for a downtrend, you want to connect all of your highs and all of your major peaks. To identify a trend, you only need 2 points, but to confirm a trend, you need 3. Alright, you guys, that is it for trends and trend lines. I know I told you guys I will be giving a guideline at the end of the video. However, the end of the footage did not get saved, so I'm going to give you guys an image with all of the information so you can save it on your phone and look at it whenever you please. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the quizzes. The quizzes will be uploaded on the channel directly after each topic is discussed. Some quizzes will be on one topic while others will be a mixture of multiple topics. The intent of the quizzes is to help your learning process by identifying what you know and what you don't know, and to help you take out the key information from each video. The quiz for each video will be uploaded directly after each upload, and that is all the information that I have for you guys as far as the quizzes. So I hope you